Hey Scootopians, OhManDan here. What's going on? Welcome to Scootopia. Yeah, it is exactly what you think it is. It's another box. And so getting ready to do an unboxing of a very heavy and very huge box. You see how destroyed it is on the front. So I'm hoping and praying that there's not a foam dilemma going on the inside of this thing, okay? So let's check it out. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, man, I can't even tell where the beginning and where the ending is here. This is crazy. Let me just create my own lip. This is really a jacked up box. See what we're working with. They tell me it's supposed to be a double box, and yes, it is a double box. But that hole down there goes all the way through. That's a fact. All right. This box was very heavy when I brought it in here. So that means it's gonna be very heavy trying to pull this thing out of here. Let's see how we do. Don't want to throw out no back. All right. Alrighty. Let it not be no foam in here. You know what that means. That means that there's foam, but there's no foam all over the place. Thank God. Well, right off the bat, I see a steering damper. Looks like I need to put it on though, right? It's okay. You know, OhManDan, don't mind working. We got that cheap tool I don't like, but it's here. All right. Ooh-wee. This thing is massive. I don't even know if I'll be able to pull this out the box. But I'll tell you what, it's got the kind of foam I like. It's pressed foam or something like that. But it's not like that other kind that just like flies everywhere. You know I'm happy. Thank you very much. Holy cow. I can't contain myself. All right, there's the stem. That thing alone weighs about 15 pounds. So you can only imagine what I'm about to be faced with in about 10 minutes. Oh, I didn't tell you what kind of scooter this was it? It's a Bronco Extreme. Finally got my order in. Well, here we are with a box. Oh, wow. One of my buddies was telling me that this came in this box, and he's right. Air pump. That's what it is. With a gauge, because you have to use this to pump the suspension. All right, we have a manual. Thank God for that. We have some sort of clamp and some brackets. Look like somebody intends for me to be doing some work. We're gonna do that tomorrow though, okay? Not tonight. Tonight's just gonna be a quick unboxing. And what do we have here? Is this a charging brick? Yeah, it is. A little short, fat, stubby one. 1.75 amps. That ought to give us about 19 to 20 hours of charge on a 72 volt battery. Yeah. Somebody's gonna buy the 5 amp battery just to get that. That will decrease the charge down to about 7 hours. So, what do you think? Man, because 19 hours, man, come on, you can't even stay up that long. 12 hours, okay, I can stay up because no one should charge a battery and fall asleep. Charge a battery, run to the store. Charge a battery and watch something on TV or play with the kid. No, you need to charge a battery and be attentive because lithium-ion batteries are very unstable and they're unpredictable. Anything can happen. Okay, we about to do the, let me see if I can get close to this box. We're about to pull her on out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Lord. Let me throw that box out. Oh, did you see that? My God. This thing is massive. I didn't think it was going to be this big. But I tell you what, I'm honing in on, you know what I'm saying? I'm honing in on my getting it out the box skills, because this thing is about 110 pounds, you know, without no water on it, just dry. You know how they say, you know, this people are a certain weight soaking wet. Well, this thing's 110 pounds dry. I do love the way that this suspension is put on here, where it goes, horizontal instead of vertical. But it looks like I got a lot of work cut out for me. And I'm not going to bore you all with all of this. Everything is kind of, I like the braiding. The braiding on the wire cover is, you know, classy. It kind of reminds me of a Thunder. You know, so we're going to see how extreme it really is. I'm going to charge this puppy up. I'm going to tighten up the bolts on it and everything. Do my blue Loctite on anything that's loose. Go over, put on that damper. You know, just get her all ready for me. And the next time you see this Bronco Extreme, it will be with me on top of it. So this is OhManDan. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Share, like my videos, and we'll see you next time. OhManDan out.
We about to meet the man, OhManDan. Was about the mud, to help mankind. Start a scooter club, I know you're fine, cause you're just like that. You bend over backwards to help a man. You strap up, you boot up, you throw on your colors. Get ready to hang, riding with the fellas. Yeah, on that glorious crusade, helping those in